thank God this opportunity came. I had wanted to speak with you, Robo, and this is the right time for me to speak. Yes. Anything I talk, I'm speaking with the voice of entertainment. Could this be the reason for our unconsciousness? You know what, Bubu, shake your vote or Robona. For the fact I do Robo videos, I am not happy. I swear down. Could this be the reason for our consciousness? I need an answer. I need an answer. Odewo biere mi wonyo de UPU. Till date, I don't know the function of that UPU. What about the cultural house for Onyamuge? Oinete mo wo showcase talent rayo. Oinete wo boost Urobo. But we are doing absolute nothing about it. So could this be the reason? Could Wado City be the reason for all this? Our icon, our Robo legend. It's a pity our Robo legend no go fit cause crowd for party for sure. Name them. Dokparibo, the Just Naja, the Lokiokwe. Name them. Ununu ya wakpara ekpehi. Our legend. Owoyewu ko tite. Emowu kavege jai. Àwọn akpeko ìtálẹ̀ntì wọ̀nànà ọ̀nànà ìtálẹ̀ntì Urobo àwọn akpeko di mu kọ́ ihe ko na iyese bịa ụtọ Urobo ogwe Yoruba o Yoruba enyo gẹ́gẹ́ ma sponsor emo Urobo. Oh, could this be the reason behind everything? There are other things to talk about, but ọ̀nànà ọjọ́ wa dàbẹ̀ ụtọ Urobo degi ninyo degi nibia. If Wado City is the only problem of Roboland and is the reason behind our unconsciousness in the society, I support. Let's do the needful. Let's be happy. Let's provide for us. Let's support each other. Let's move. The trend they said, let's move. Let it not be a selfish movement.